Over 500 vulnerable households affected by banditry in Osun State have received financial support from the federal government. The Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, Sadiyah Farouq, flagged off the disbursement in Osogbo. Rafi Hamid reports.
It is on record that insurgency has left over 10 million people displaced, particularly in the northeastern part of Nigeria. About 1.7 million of the population are internally displaced. In Osun, a lot of farmlands were destroyed as a result of flood disaster and activities of herdsmen, thereby affecting their means of livelihood. In view of this and others, the federal government selected 10 states as beneficiaries of this intervention, and Osun is one of them. The initiative is to cushion the effect on the affected persons. Beneficiaries receive 50,000 naira each in their bank accounts.
It will reduce the level of poverty of the people because the things are not easy. So I will use this opportunity to thank the federal government together with the state government.
I hereby charge the beneficiaries to make judicious use of the money that will be transferred to them to revive their means of livelihood, as well as set them on a new pedestal economically.
The Minister of Humanitarian Affairs and Disaster Management, who was represented by Tokunbo Rufai, says the federal government is committed to lifting millions of Nigerians out of poverty.
NSIP, that is National Social Investment Program, is considered the biggest and most comprehensive social protection and poverty eradication program ever put in place by any government in the history of Nigeria.
Governor Adegboyega Oyetola highlights government's efforts towards alleviating the sufferings of the vulnerable population in the state.
As a demonstration of our hearts for the indigent, we included a free premium for the vulnerable in the Osun Health Insurance Scheme in our first budget in year 2019. On December 13, 2019, we launched the public workforce and special grant transfer component of the Youth Empowerment and Social Support Operation YESO.
He harps on the need for a peaceful coexistence among residents of the state, irrespective of their differences. Governor Adegboyega Oyetola commended the federal government for widening its social inclusion net, which has continued to accommodate more people, particularly the vulnerable ones. Rafi Hamid, TVC News, Osogbo.